Can you hand her one of those, Tiger? Or Bear?
Cold. Yeah, it's cold.
He's playing in the snow.
And there's mine. Look at all the family of snowmen.
Yeah. Oh,
This
she
is
wants the tiger now.
Tiger.
Good job, Big Sis.
Okay, this is Daddy's. This is Daddy. This is Malia. This is you. And this is Daddy. And this is me. Big family of snowmen. This is you, Dad. This is Malia. This is Mommy. This is me.
I'm awfully short.
Yeah. Okay, I'll make you bigger. I'll make you right here. And there's you, Mommy. That's you. That's you.
Oh, thank you.
That's you. That's me. That's you. That's Daddy. That's Malia.
The resemblance is uncanny.
I'm really short. And my hands are freezing.